Hello, welcome back. So today I'm in the Lego store and I'm going to make my own minifigures. So I'm very excited right now. Okay, so the Lego store looks very nice. There's lots of Legos to see and also lots of displays. Oh, that one looks very cool. Okay, so I made 3 boxes of my own Lego figures. So the first 2 boxes are from the same Lego store, but the time is different, and the last one is from another Lego store. But anyway, so I have 3 boxes now, and we're going to see what's inside. This is so exciting, right? Okay, so let's open this one first. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to cut the box, and so the minifigures that's inside the box, it's enough to make 3 minifigures. So each box is to make like 3 minifigures. Okay, so this one is a nice t-shirt. It belongs to what was it, easy from Lego Dreams, and this one is like a nice hoodie with like this skeleton, and oh, that one is really cute too. And this one is kind of like the witch's skirt because there's like a frog in the back pocket and some short pants and really nice hairstyles. And it's really nice because I can also use those hairstyles to the Lego Friends dolls as well, which is really nice. So we have 2 presents and also a surfing board, and oh my god, this one is so nice. He's wearing like braces, and this one is also a character from Lego Dreams, but I forgot his name. It is also a nice looking old lady. So right now they don't really match each other, so I'm going to put them together when I opened all the boxes. Okay, so now let's open the next box. This one's nice too. I think this was the oldest one, like I think I bought this one like a few months ago. But anyway, let's see. Okay, it's not cutting easily. Okay, there you go. Let's see what's inside. There's a lot of nice hairstyles because I just love hairs. Oh my god, this one is like really nice, and that pants looks nice too. And this one's kind of like a cowboy pants, I think. Looks nice. And oh, this one's like a suit, and this one would match that dress, and this one's for like running or something. Oh, nice hairstyle. Oh, this is also like a pirate, and this one's a really long hairstyle. Nice. And we have like the sign and stuff, and like also wings, really nice. Oh, that thing's really cool too. And oh, this one's like a city girl, like because the buildings are, I can see the buildings through her glasses, and that's really cute. And this one's nice. I'm not so sure what that is, but it's like, I think like face printing, kind of like that, like drawing stuff in your face. Yeah. Okay, so this is the next box. This is so cute. These are really totally amazing. These are just so cute, and I think I'm totally sure that you're gonna love it too. Oh my god, they're so cute, don't you think? We also have like a little cheek. Oh my god. But it's not like an actual chick because as you can see at the back, we got like buttons. So it's kind of like a costume, which is totally amazing. So cute, right? I just love it. And then that one, the legs, you cannot move the legs. And we also have like this mushroom. And oh my god, this chick is so cute, right? And this one kind of looks like a sausage, but I think it's supposed to be some sort of flower. And I just bought this mummy because it looks nice. And oh, this baby looks so cute. And this one's really nice too. Okay, so there's also happy birthday and a bluebird and a yellow basket. Yeah, so we have opened 3 boxes. We're going to start building them now. And of course, we're going to build the chick first. So cute. Look at this like yellow fur. Oh my god, where's your head? Yeah, there you go. Oh my god, it looks like a baby. Look, oh my god, so cute. Look at those buttons. I love the costume. And this is basket. He has to like hold this basket, but it's not very easy. Wait a sec, please. Wait, kind of like this. Oh yeah, no, not like this. Wait a sec, please. Yeah, kind of like, yeah, wait. Oh, why is it so hard? Oh yeah, there you go. Very good. So it's like all totally yellow. Looks amazing. So cute, right? Oh my god, this is so amazing. Okay, so this is our first minifigure. Looks amazing. Next one, we're going to make a mini mushroom, which is totally awesome. I think this was like included in like the minifigures series. I don't know, is it like 27 or 26? I don't know. But I think it was also included like that. Anyway, he's supposed to hold like a watering can, but I just changed it into a bluebird because I already have a lot of watering cans. And oh my gosh, this costume is really nice too. Which face should I use? Because of course I can't use the mummy, so I just decided to use this old lady. Oh, there you go. Nice. It's very fancy actually. Oh, looks cool. There you go. So yeah, this is the flower, and we need to give some accessories to her. How about this one? No, I think it's too big. How about this present? I guess it's not bad. So this is an old lady with a blue present, which looks nice. And this one's the nice costume, you know, looks awesome. So how about this one? Oh, looks nice. Oh, that's cool. I think she should have wings. Yeah, kind of like this. Her neck seems kind of long, but it looks nice. Okay, so we also have a lady with wings, which is really nice. And next one, what should I make? How about this? This is like a lot of mixing actually, like a mixture of mommy, a man with a suit, a pirate, and also a witch, and also like some science stuff. Looks nice, right? I think I kind of like it. Yeah, there's also like a frog in her back pocket. And the next one is a little girl like this. Oh my god, it looks cool. I love her hair. I think it's cool because I mean it's like silver color. Looks nice. Oh wait, I need to give her some accessories. How about this present? No, I don't think so. How about this one? Yeah, I think this is not bad. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so what should I make now? I think you know like the place where you can make your own minifigures. It's really nice because there's a lot of cool things, like the sort of things that probably I wouldn't get if I only buy Lego Friends sets. But it's nice because I can have a lot of things, and that hairstyle I think is really nice too. So yeah, this looks nice, and I think the face is really unique. It's not the sort of a Lego face that you see often. You know, the girl has the one with the red glasses. I think her face is really nice. And this one kind of seems scary because the face seems like an adult, but the body is like a kid. So I think I should change, like swap their faces. Yeah, I think that would be nice. Kind of like this. You know, I didn't really realize, but her eyes seem kind of scary. I mean, it kind of looks as if she's like glaring at me. There you go. So, the next one, the kid with red glasses, I think she looks really nice. So she's holding a big present. And the last one, yeah, it's the man. I think he looks cute too. I mean, it's kind of weird that he has like the hairstyle, because the hairstyle is, you know, like for a woman hairstyle, but I think it looks nice. And his surfing board is nice too. And these two, like these three, are definitely my favorite, and this woman is nice too. Okay, so today I made my own 9 minifigures, and the chick and the mushroom, they are so cute. I totally love them. And the mushroom was actually included in the Lego minifigure series 25. Yeah, so quite a long time ago actually. But anyway, they all look so cute. I wonder if the cheek was also included in some other minifigure series. I don't really know. But anyway, they all look so nice. And so this is the end of the video. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.